Let's freaking get it. All aboard the Vibe train with the Footy fam. Going hammer again. Let's go, baby. Matti, thank you for gifting a sub to Bess and Mason.
Train.
Whoop, whoop. Kina, thank you for gifting a sub to Existence. And Bess and Mason, thank you for gifting a sub to Kina. Big boy hugs and Footy fam folk.
Footy
Footy
fam for
for
life.
life, baby.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Guys, thank you for the generosity to each other. Appreciate it, chat. Susie, hope you're doing well. Thanks for joining. Welcome in. Hey, Wezel. All good, my man. I will call you tomorrow morning, buddy. You got the Shadow Fang. Good luck, my man. Let's go, bro. El Diablo coming in with the biddies, bro. Let's freaking go with the biddy dance. El Diablo, my man. Thank you for that biddies, yeah? Whoop. With that biddy dance. I appreciate the love and that biddies, man. Big boy hugs, Footy fam. Let's go. Yeah. Boggers, I'm gonna add a little bit of cinnamon sugar, by the way. Over here. And I'm gonna eat that lunch quickly. Not all the cinnamon sugar because we need it for later and we need it for the French toast as well. So we're gonna cook this, stew this a little bit, and then later on we're gonna finish it. You can't do this without that much water, but I'm gonna do this with this amount of water, and later on we're gonna add some orange juice. It's gonna be so tight, so nice.
Wow!
Oh, sorry to hear that,
I
Susie.
feel good
Stay strong,
with my
champ.
lovely Footy
Big
fam.
boy hugs and all the best
so
for you.
for that gift sub again.
Thank you, Brigitte. Yeah,
I feel
indeed.
good.
But I just let it cool off a little bit and the cheese melted. Thank you.
_LTU gifted a tier
Etu
1
gifting a
sub
sub to Susie.
They
Lots
have
of
given
love.
336
Big boy hugs.
gift
Level
subs
up.
in the channel.
Etu, much love, man. Thanks for the effort, support, and generosity. Susie, don't forget to thank Etu for the love. And let's get that.
Footy
Footy
fam for life.
baby.
And of course,
Let's go.
enjoy
Let's go.
the emotes and the badge, baby. Let's get it. See, that's nice, guys and girls. Very good, very nice. We need a little plate. I'm gonna eat it on a napkin. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. We got the potatoes here too. Let's freaking get it. Wowzers, thank you so much, Frogo J. Give me a big boy hug, bro. Appreciate the kind words, man. Let's keep on cooking and let's rock and roll it, my man. Ooh la la. That's a good lunch, guys. Easy, but so good. This is only where I gotta watch out for. The little chili pits. Let's go, Wes and Mason. Oh, I'm gonna stop now. Wow, the Susie, that's serious, darling. Sorry to hear that, but I hope it can go better for you. And I hope it will be better and you have a good recovery, champ. Prayers, sending prayers, darling. Hello, El Diablo, thanks, bro. And sorry for making you hungry, but get that toast, my man.